This is a design I'm working here on Canva and I want to share it on WhatsApp. So to share this design on WhatsApp, you have so many options to choose from. So I'm going to go over to share here and I will take you each of the steps one after the other. If you want to share this design as a document, you just need to click on download here and choose how you want to share it. If you're sharing to the person as PDF to have a copy of that design, you can send it as a PDF. If you want the person to see it as images, I just clicked on this place and it opened up the drop down. You can see that you have options to share with. You can share as PNG, as JPEG, depending on the file type you want to choose from. But if you want to share this design so the person can edit or comment or just view, you also have that option. If I click on share here, I have only me can access this design. But if I click this drop down, I will see that I have the option to make anyone with the link to see this design. What do I want anyone with the link to do? Now you can come here. Do I want the person to be able to edit this design or comment or view? Depending on what you want the person to do, you can do that from there. After you select an option, you click on copy link and send it to the person on WhatsApp. But what if I don't want them to have the ability to make a copy of this design or to come into the Canva file, and I don't want to send them a file of this document? What if I just want them to view this design to just see what it looks like? You also have the option to create a public view link. If I click on create a public view link, now I can create a public view link. And if I click on that, I can also customize my link and I will click on save and copy. So if I copy this short link now and I go over to my WhatsApp and select the person I want to share this design with, I send them this link, and when they click on this link, so this way this person doesn't have a copy of this design. If the person scrolls this way, the person can see